Hi guys, this is Fran with Ask Fran. We're on episode 3 of our vlog series, and today I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what I've done to help heal myself over the course of the last few years. As discussed in our previous episode, I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, and I was given a year to live. And one of the most impactful things that I could have done to regain control of my health was my nutrition. So after doing a lot of research, I ended up leaning towards the plant-based ketogenic diet as the diet of choice for myself. A ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, low-carb diet. It really focuses on eliminating sugars from your diet as well as animal byproducts. By doing that, the one true thing is cancer can't survive a properly oxygenated environment. And so I wanted to make sure that I was doing the right things to help myself and help my body have the energy to heal and work in the most optimal way. And at that time, the most optimal way for me was getting better. And that's a little bit on what I did for myself to kind of get here. The diet was hard. Gosh, it was so hard to start. And giving up steak, gosh, that was the hardest thing ever. But I ended up making the changes. The way the company started is a little bit towards kind of that. I started getting well, and I was going to my cancer support group, and people that were in my cancer support group were actually dying. And one of the really astounding things that I found is that physicians don't really tell you how to eat when you're undergoing cancer treatments. They just kind of hope and pray that whatever you can kind of keep down is good enough. And it was very surprising to me to see how casual people were about nutrition as a part of a treatment plan. And I started my company by making food for free for a lot of the people in my cancer support group, but obviously produce costs money. So they started offering to pay for my services, and then after we all started getting well as a collective group, the doctor said, "Hey, Fran, maybe you should do this for other people for a living." And that's how we started. The vlog is really here to show you that it is possible to get well, and that outside of using medical components to heal, nutrition will play such a vital role in the way that you end up getting well, expediting your health goals. Well, I hope this is helpful, and I'm looking forward to joining you guys for our next episode.